Outdoor adventurers, get ready! Amazon Prime Day is here, and the camping gear deals are absolutely wild. Prime Day steals are live now, with discounts reaching up to a massive 46% off. From life-saving fire starters to rugged pocket knives, these camping essentials are dropping fast. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just upgrading your outdoor kit, now's the perfect time to grab them. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Forset Camping Tent. Now 20% off its original $75, this deal drops to just $60, making it the perfect upgrade for your next adventure. As storm clouds gather and daylight fades, the Forset camping tent becomes your instant shelter. Crafted from waterproof polyester with sturdy aluminum poles and dual doors for airflow, it sets up fast and stands firm, keeping you dry, warm, and ready for whatever nature throws your way. Number 19. Collapsible Folding Wagon. Originally priced at $110, now cut down by 42%. Grab it for just $64 while the offer lasts. You're hauling gear across uneven ground to your campsite, hands full, back aching, when the VivoSun Collapsible Folding Wagon rolls in. With its heavy-duty frame, 350-pound capacity, and smooth 360-degree wheels, it glides over any terrain, carrying your load effortlessly so you can focus on the adventure ahead. Number 18. Mossy Oak Multi-Tool. Originally $38, now cut by 15%, bringing it down to just $32, a steal for any outdoor enthusiast. You're deep in the wilderness, racing against fading light as a tent pole snaps. That's when the Mossy Oak Multi-Tool comes to the rescue. Packed with pliers, screwdrivers, a fire starter, hammer, whistle, and more. Built from rugged stainless steel with a self-locking design, it's your all-in-one solution for repairs, survival, and every unexpected challenge the outdoors throws your way. Number 17. Guardian Angel Micro Series Safety Light. Dropped to just $48 after a 20% slash from its original $60, this powerful gadget is made for those who brave the dark. You're hiking back to camp, the forest growing darker with every step. That's when the Guardian Angel Safety Light cuts through the night. With 360-degree visibility, 14 ultra-bright LEDs, and a rugged waterproof shell, it keeps you seen, safe, and ready for any nighttime adventure ahead. Number 16. CovaCure Camping Hammock. Once $34, now slashed by 34%. Yours for just $22. You're deep in the forest, the sun dipping low, and you find the perfect spot between two trees. In seconds, the CovaCure camping hammock unfolds into your cozy retreat. Made from ultra-strong parachute nylon with a built-in mosquito net, it's breathable, tear-resistant, and light enough to carry anywhere. Number 15. Boxio Portable Sink. Dropped from $259 to just $191, now with a 26% discount. This camping essential is a total game-changer for your next outdoor trip. Picture this. You're deep in the woods, hands caked in mud after pitching your tent. No running water or power in sight. That's where the Boxio Portable Sink comes in. Compact yet mighty, it brings fresh flowing water anywhere, keeping your hands clean, your gear fresh, and your campsite spotless. Number 14. Eaton Wolf Air Pump. Dropped from $30 to just $19, a solid 38% off for campers who value smart gear. The sun's long gone, your air mattress is flat, and exhaustion's setting in fast. That's where the ETENWOLF air pump kicks in. Small as an egg but surprisingly powerful, it inflates in seconds, doubles as a 600-lumen camp light, and turns any tough night outdoors into effortless comfort. Number 13. Fire Maple Camping Stove. Now 25% off its original $71, this deal drops to just $53. A steal for serious adventurers. The wind howls, the temperature drops, and dinner seems impossible. Until the Fire Maple Camping Stove fires up. Compact, fast, and built with advanced heat exchange tech, it boils water 30% quicker, even in tough conditions. Lightweight, yet sturdy, it's the go-to stove that turns cold, windy nights into warm, satisfying outdoor meals. Number 12. Eventec Camping Lantern. Priced at $46 before the 35% cut, it now drops to just $30. A brilliant deal ready to light up every adventure ahead. When night falls deep in the woods and every shadow feels alive, the Eventec Camping Lantern becomes your beacon. With a massive 20,000 milliamp-hour battery and ultra-bright LEDs, it runs for days, charges your phone, and even signals for help. A true lifesaver when darkness closes in. Number 11. Gravity Water Filter. Now just $30 after a 25% drop from its original $40. A deal that lets you camp smarter and never worry about clean water again. Deep in the wild, your canteen runs dry, and the nearest stream looks anything but safe. That's when the Membrane Solutions Gravity Water Filter steps in. With a 4-stage filtration system and 6-liter capacity, it removes 99.99% of impurities, turning muddy stream water into pure, life-saving refreshment for your entire crew. Number 10. Freelander Camping Axe. Scored a solid 20% cut from its original $22. This rugged essential is now just $18. Built tough for true outdoor adventurers who never back down from the wild. Deep in the woods, the campfire's fading, and thick branches block your path. That's when the Freelander Camping Axe earns its place. Compact yet fierce, it slices clean through wood, drives stakes with its hammerhead, and even packs extras like a hex wrench and bottle opener. Your all-in-one survival companion. Number 9. Portable Camping Chair. Down by 18%, this comfort essential drops from $71 to just $58. A solid win for any outdoor lover. After a long hike, the fire's crackling, and your legs finally give in to exhaustion. The Moon Lens camping chair opens effortlessly, ready to cradle you in comfort. With aircraft-grade aluminum, a cooling mesh back, and a packable design, it's your portable seat of relaxation wherever adventure takes you. Number 8. Portable Power Station. Slashed from $549 to just $299. This beast packs a massive 46% discount. Your ultimate off-grid lifeline just became affordable. The sun dips below the horizon and your camp fades into darkness. But the OUPES Portable Power Station roars to life. With 1,200 watts output, 10 charging ports, and smart app control, it powers lights, stoves, and laptops, keeping your adventure running deep into the night. Built tough yet silent, it's your reliable energy source wherever the wild takes you. Number 7. Sleeping Bag. Now, 25% off its original $40, this cozy essential is just $30. The perfect steal for comfort under the stars. As the sun dips and evening chills set in, the sold-out camping sleeping bag keeps you warm and comfortable. With a water-resistant shell, soft interior lining, thick insulation for all seasons, and spacious design, it ensures restful sleep wherever you camp. rolls up easily into the included stuff sack for effortless packing. Number 6. Smokeless Fire Pit. With 32% off its original $280, this smokeless powerhouse drops to just $190, the ultimate upgrade for your campsite. A crisp night settles in, flames dancing without smoke filling the air, and the Echo Smile Smokeless Fire Pit takes center stage. With Airflow 360 technology, stainless steel durability, and effortless setup, it delivers pure warmth, cleaner burns, and an unforgettable outdoor experience wherever you roam. Number 5. Ogery Camping String Lights. Now just $19 after a 21% slash from 24. Lighting up campsites everywhere with ease. The night grows darker, the forest quiets, and your tent fades into shadow. Until the Ogery camping string lights flicker to life. With 8 lighting modes and a 4-in-1 design, they glow, flash, and signal when needed most. Lightweight, waterproof, and rechargeable, they turn every campsite into pure outdoor magic. Number 4. Portable Ceiling Fan. Now slashed by 33%, dropped from $32 to just $22. And it's the breeze you didn't know you needed. When the tent air thickens and comfort fades, the Ducaseek portable fan sweeps in with a cool breeze. A 3-in-1 lifesaver that cools, lights, and charges your gear, it runs quietly through the night. With a 7,500 milliamp-hour battery and remote control, comfort follows you anywhere you camp. Number 3. Bleeka Portable Toilet. Priced at $37, now trimmed by 15%. Grab it for just $31 and take comfort anywhere you roam. When nature calls miles from the nearest restroom, the Bleeka Portable Toilet has your back. Built with a sturdy stainless steel frame and a soft cushioned seat, it unfolds in seconds and supports up to 350 pounds. Lightweight, durable, and mess-free. This travel essential turns wilderness breaks into pure convenience. Number 2. Flint and Steel Fire Starter. Now just $6 after a 20% cut from $7. Never be caught without a flame again. Caught in a sudden downpour with damp tinder, the Flint and Steel Fire Starter proves indispensable. This 4-inch ferro rod, paired with a fire starter striker, generates a shower of sparks even in wet conditions. Compact and easy to carry, it fits any backpack or survival kit, giving hikers, campers, and hunters a reliable, quick, and efficient way to ignite a fire whenever adventure or emergency calls. Number 1. Kexmo Pocket Knife. Originally $10, now sliced by 20%. Grab it for just $8 before it's gone. You're deep in the woods, dusk settling fast, and a stubborn rope stands between you and setting camp. The Kexmo Pocket Knife steps in. Razor sharp, reliable, and built for any challenge. With its sturdy rosewood handle and glass breaker tip, it's the ultimate everyday companion for every outdoor mission. And that wraps up the top Prime Day camping gadgets you can grab today, from must-have survival tools to essential outdoor gear. Don't wait. These deals and stock won't last long. If you scored a bargain, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're always first in line for the next camping gear drop.